Hello everyone, my name is Armando, I'm with VFN Fiberglass, and today we're here to talk about dashes. You want to lose weight in your car, you want it to look cool? You need a dash. You need one of these. Our typical dashes weigh only about 5 pounds. We make them for all kinds of cars. We have them for Mustangs, Camaros, 57 Chevys, GTOs, Malibus. Most of our dashes have been designed to fit race pack gauges. So if you're using a race pack cluster, the majority of them will fit. If you have any questions, you could just ask. What you can expect with a VFN fiberglass dash, we like to kind of keep that factory looking texture. So in a lot of cases, if you were to just leave it in this satiny black that it comes in, it's going to be a little hard to tell this from a factory dash at first glance. We actually make them slightly oversized. You will have to trim a little here and there, especially along the sides and the back near the windshield. But we like to keep them just a little bit longer so you got extra to work with. Our F-body dash actually comes as a two-piece. It has the face and then it comes with the pad. The top portion goes all the way to the windshield, and this is removable and that could just stay put. We actually have a lot more dashes than what I showed you today. You can find them all on our website at vfnfiberglass.com. Thanks for watching.